Alright folks, first off I just want to welcome you guys to the channel. I ask that you like and subscribe to the content, share the videos, I'd appreciate it. Today I am going to install some Raxiom advanced lighting solutions for my fog lights. I purchased a set of fog light LEDs last year and one's gone out now, so we're going to install these. Bought these at American Muscle. I'm installing them in a 2008 Mustang GT California Special. So it's supposed to be just plug and play. Of course there's a Cree LED chip on each side. Well, it's pretty simple. I think that's pretty much all that's in the box. Let's double check, make sure. And I'm pretty certain there's no particular side you have to install each one on. They come with a heat sink and a fan in each one. That's why they're so bulky, so big. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Yep, that's it. That's all that's in the box. So that's a pretty simple open box. So, all right, let's get to installing these things. All right. First off, we need to take these loose. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these installed. Now we gotta take these 2 bolts loose. One on this side, one on this side. Should be a 10mm, at least on your Mustangs. Alright folks, now that we've removed the radiator cover, we've removed the bolts on each side. Now we pull up on these tabs on the painted covers here, so the grill will pop out just a hair. Can't take it completely out. I guess we can manipulate it enough we could probably take it completely out, but that's not what we're here to do today. And of course you can see the $16 eBay LEDs I had ordered last year in there. So let's replace these things. Alright, just twist. Should pull right out. There it goes. There it goes. Alright, there we go. There's one. I really don't know what to tell you. I know that the vents here in the Raxiom's there are a lot more vents. Well, not a lot, yeah, a lot more vents. They're vented better. These aren't vented hardly at all. I don't believe at all. Circuit board, or the LED board. The Cree just seems to be one single board, one single light. Alright, well, not the Cree, the Raxiom. Let's install these things here. Let's test that thing, make sure it's going to work. Alright, now I got my Raxiom on one side and my old eBay on the other side. Let's turn them. My eBays. My Raxiom. I can definitely tell the difference. Raxiom's brighter, whiter. do the same thing to the other side. Definitely brighter. Alright, now that we have the bolts in, put the radiator cover back on, and now we put the pins in. Pretty simple. Pop them in place and push down. Alright, that's it. Everything's done. Alright folks, I hope you found this entertaining. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it. And leave me a comment. Thank you.